that much, is it? Yeah, it might be.
Got a little archway there.
Yeah, seriously.
We'll have some good goblins right here in another 1,000 years. Get in the shade here. I like that. It's like the white sandcastle on top of all the red rocks, sandstone. It's just such a cool place. Just the complexity of the rock formations, how they look is so amazing. Just wild. So one of the guys in our group was saying that this area didn't used to be a state park when he was a kid, like 40, 50 years, well, not 50, 40-ish years ago, and they used to come motorcycling around here. It was just like a little known place that only the locals would come to, and people would just go right around and have a good time here. And they put in the bathrooms and the other stuff, and now it's a protected state park, which it should be, because this is pretty dang unique.
Softer rock. No. So. Before this became.
We got Goblin Valley State Park. Such a cool set of rock formations. Not sure that you can find many places like this in the world. I'm sure there's some, but I haven't been to any.
Strange valleys, huh? So cool. You get hoodoos here and there, but nothing like this. So did Bruce get the movie or not?
I don't think so.
Oh, he didn't?
Goblin Valley, we just got here. Check it out, 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 check it out. There's the group. Not so many goblins this way. Good times ahead. A big fat lizard. Blue racer, maybe? That's what I would have called him. Hello, lizard. They hold so still.